And now, wala bang palakpakan dyan? And to light the torch, Kaisa Manuel. Ayan, isang masigabong palakpakan, student athletes of Castilleos. Thank you very much. Mga school heads, ha?
Natanda nga tayo mga coaches dyan. Sa mga...
Kung gaano ka-energetic kanina si Ma'am Aurora, dapat ganun ang presentation per school. Okay na po tayo?
Yung energy kay Mama.
Correct. Okay, siguro ma'am, okay na. Nakapag-meeting na sila. Let's start. Okay, syempre. Thank you very much, Castilleos National High School. Cheer ng Law Integrated School.
Ayun, Law Integrated School. Parang nalang.
Hanjin Integrated School. Ayun, Hanjin. Castilleos Resettlement High School. Yes, yes, yes. San Agustin High School. Ay, alam may santo ninyo. Okay, go fight with sa Jesus F. Magsaysay Technical Vocational High School.
That I am an amateur and do pledge myself to compete in the spirit of the sportsmanship. I further declare
of our coordinating principal, Sir Mario M. Salis, and by the authority vested in me as the Secondary District Sports Coordinator of Castilleos, may I formally open the municipal meet for 2024. Palakpakan po natin lahat.
Noong and Castilleos National High School. Ayan.
Harap tayo sa kanila mga anak.
Natin ang ating mga coaches at sila po ang magpapalaro. Sila po ang bumuo ng officiating officials per event. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan. Mga magagaling na coaches from Castilleos District.
Ngayon pa lang po, congratulations na po sa lahat.
Alam ko, sabik na kayo makapaglaro sa kanya-kanya niyong larangan, kaya hindi ko napapatagalin pa to. I am Gian Cruz and I have here our beautiful muse.
I'm Magistra Escaño, representing the home of Nicolasians.
SNACI.
Next from Jesus and Magsaysay Technical Vocational High School.
Good morning, everyone! I am Marco S. Muslares, representing Jesus F. Magsaysay Technical Vocational High School!
And I am also Yanilish Ciasuelo, representing the home of the Technicians, Jesus F. Magsaysay Technical Vocational High School.
Next from San Agustin High School.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ryan Marky Almandia from San Agustin High School. Pinapakilala ko po ang aming muse na si
Good morning everyone, I am Princess Elga Usong, representing San Agustin High School.
Next from Castellanos Resettlement High School.
Hi everyone, my name is JB Fernandez.
A glamorous morning to each and everyone. I am Samantha Nico Namugis, representing Castellanos Resettlement High School.
Next from Loong Integrated School.
Good morning everyone. I'm Mio Marpi I. Martinez representing Loong Integrated School.
And I am Jana Debaras, 15, representing Loong Integrated School.
Last but not least, Castellanos National High School.
Good morning, everyone! My name is Luis Palitpatan, proudly representing Castellanos National High School.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan. Ako si Ayashaan, representing Castellanos National High School. And for Settlement High School, Hanjin Integrated School, Loong Integrated School, and